Good morning, students. So, today I will teach you about the new chapter Leaving the Valley. So, this chapter is about Malala Yousafzai. This girl has told us about that how we feel when we leave our home, and she has worked for the women empowerment, for the education of girls and women, and received certain awards. So let's begin the chapter. Given below is a quote by Malala Yousafzai. What does the quote say? Unscramble the words and find out. So here one quote is given, which is said by Malala Yousafzai. So what does a quote say? You have to unscramble the words. So this quote states that one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. That means that one child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the whole world. Now let's begin. Malala Yousafzai is an activist for the education of girls and women. So what she is? She is an activist for the education of girls and women. She began her activism in her native Swat Valley in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, northwest Pakistan, where the local Taliban at times did not allow girls to attend the school. So where she was living in Pakistan, and there the Taliban they do not allow the girls to attend school, or they were against the education of girls and women. In 2009, Malala was 12 years old. The growing violence in her region forced her family to flee. So, in the year 2009, she was 12 years old, and because of the violence, her family was forced to leave their home. In this extract from her story, Malala describes this experience. So, this story is about the Malala Yousafzai, and she has told us about that how one feels when we leave our home. So, leaving our home felt like having my heart ripped out. I stood on our roof looking at the mountains, the snow-topped Mount Ella. So, when we leave our home, it looks like that. How you feel? My heart ripped out, because it is very difficult to leave our home. I stood on the roof. So she stood on the roof and she was looking at the mountain and the snow-topped Mount Elam. I looked at the trees all coming into the leaf. The fruit of our apricot tree might be eaten by someone else this year. So she looked at the trees, and what it is looking like that the trees having leaf are coming out, and the fruit that trees having is eaten by someone else this year. Why someone else? Because they are leaving their home. Everything was silent, pin drop silent. So everything was silent. Pin drop silence means that there was no silence. There was no sound from the river or the wind. Even the birds were not chirping. I wanted to cry because I felt in my heart that I might never see my home again. So, as there was pin drop silence, this line describes that there was no sound of river, wind, even the birds were not chirping, and Malala Yousafzai wanted to cry. Why? Because her heart was heavy, as what she was thinking that she won't be able to see her home again. Everything I could not imagine happening had happened. So, what she is saying that she had never imagined in her life that the moment will come when she have to leave her home. I thought my school would not close, and it had. And what she was thinking that she will never be able to leave her school. That means because she likes education, she likes to study, but she have to leave her school. I thought we would never leave Sweat, and we were just about to. And what she was thinking that Sweat means her home near Pakistan where she was living, that she will not leave her home, but they were about to leave their home. I thought Sweat would be free of the Taliban one day and we would rejoice, but now I realize that might not happen. And what she was thinking that her Sweat will be free from Taliban. Who are the Taliban? The people who force them to leave their own home. But what she realized that she have to leave her home. So what you have understood in this para? In this para, the girl named Malala Yousafzai was telling about that how she feels when she has to leave her home. What was were there? She was looking at the mountains, and what she was thinking that all the trees were that the trees leaves were coming out, and the fruit on the leaf was eaten by someone else. Even there was pin drop silent, the birds were not chirping, and she wanted to cry because she have to leave her home again. And she could not imagine that it will happen, because as she has to leave her home, her school, plus she have never thought that it might happen in future. So she was describing this. Pin drop silent means very quiet. Thank you.